Today, I'll walk you through creating and configuring a virtual private cloud in AWS for a 3-tier application in the Ohio region. We will set up the networking foundation with public and private subnets, route tables, an internet gateway, and a NAT gateway. Finally, I'll show you how to clean up by deleting the VPC. Go to the VPC console in the Ohio region. Click on Create VPC. Select VPC only. Give it a name. Give it a CIDR block. Keep default for tenancy and IPv6 for now. Click Create VPC. The VPC is your private network where all resources live. A /16 gives us about 65,000 IP addresses, more than enough for multiple subnets. Step 2. Create subnets. Create 2 public subnets. Public subnet 1 in availability zone US East 2A. Give it a name and a CIDR block from the VPC IP block. Create a second public subnet by following same steps we did for the public subnet in availability zone US East 2B. Give it a name. Also provide a unique subnet CIDR block. Create 2 private subnets. Private subnet 1 in availability zone US East 2A. Give it a name and a CIDR from the VPC IP block. Create a second private subnet by following the same steps we did for the first private subnet in availability zone US East 2B. Give it a name. Also provide a unique subnet CIDR block. Public subnets are for web servers and public-facing load balancers. Private subnets are for the application servers and databases. They are not exposed directly to the internet. Step 3. Create and attach internet gateway. Navigate to internet gateways. Click Create. Give it a name. Once created, attach to the VPC we created earlier. Internet gateway lets resources in public subnets connect to the internet. Step 4. Create NAT gateway. Go to NAT gateways. Click Create NAT gateway. Give it a name. Place it in one of the public subnets. Say public subnet 1. Allocate a new elastic IP and associate it. Click Create. The NAT gateway allows private subnets to access the internet for updates or API calls without being exposed. Step 5. Create private route table. Go to route tables. Click on Create. Name it private route table. Associate private subnet 1 and private subnet 2 with private route table. Edit route. Add default route, target NAT gateway, and select the NAT gateway we created earlier. Now, private subnets can reach the internet through NAT, but traffic from the internet cannot directly reach them. Step 6. Create public route table. Create another route table. Name it public route table. Associate it with public subnet 1 and public subnet 2. Edit routes. Add default route, target internet gateway. Select the internet gateway we created earlier. Public subnets now have outbound internet access directly through the internet gateway. Step 7. Cleanup. Delete VPC and VPC resources. Before deleting your VPC, delete NAT gateway. Once you confirm NAT gateway has been successfully deleted, navigate to Elastic IP. Select the Elastic IP, Actions, and release Elastic IP address. Navigate to your VPC and click on Actions and delete. That should remove all resources we just created. Always clean up to avoid unexpected charges. Deleting the VPC removes all subnets and route table inside of it. And that's it. You've just created a VPC with 2 public subnets, 2 private subnets, internet gateway, NAT gateway, and a proper VPC routing for a 3-tier architecture in the Ohio region. Follow for more AWS hands-on walkthrough.